They're not really yelling at each other. No, now he's serious. Turn left, you stupid motherfucker. You're missing him. Come on, get the net off the boat. Get that purse line down there. You on the purse line. Let it run slack. You're close up the bottom of the net.
How many fish do you think they caught in that run?
Oh, hundreds, but they were little. No, the thing is, I think they're catching them for the live bait trade because they very carefully filled a hold with
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
See anything you gotta have?
I might have to get a banana.
Is that a banana holder?
Yep.
10.5. Okay. It's $10 and a half, I guess. Okay, we'll be back. Let me get my clothes. This for 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. For 10.5? Okay. That's a good price check right there.
Ok. You vem para fazer grupo?
We'll be back.
Ok. Obrigada.
We had a good prosperous morning there.
We did. We helped the local economy. We were ambassadors.
That's right. We got salt pork right here.
Yeah, let's see that.
Dead meat. It's going to be good. I got some local, what they call provisions, some crunchy roots to cook with this. Wow, it's going to be good.
The tomato ketchup's in a tube. This is ketchup.
Yeah, actually,
looks like a tube of toothpaste.
The other good thing is you can get tomato paste in it too. It's a very circulating tomato.
Yeah, this is mayonnaise in a tube. You could repackage that and put it on somebody's toothbrush. Ah, yeah, the real hot sauce. That's $2.
I get the Piri Piri Extra Forte.
You know what? They're only $1, so I'd get them both.
Yeah,
and try them. Yeah,
We're going to a place where there's a lot of hot sauces to choose from.
yeah. So the tomatoes are 90 cents. I guess that's tomato paste.
I think I've got it. Okay, I think we're loaded.
Okay. All right. Sugar. All right, we have our 2 bags. Our 2.
Traditionally, you start with the bread.
And Ben and Max are getting the really important stuff.
Pasta and chips.
And
I
chips.
can't believe they have actual Chips Ahoy here.
Ah. So do you know how much they were? How much are Chips Ahoy here?
Too much, probably.
Don't know. It doesn't matter. Somebody else is paying for it, right? $2 for
I'm
the
not going to eat them.
peanut butter. Oh, well, I'll eat them.
Yeah.
You're not going to eat them?
Yeah. I don't like the stores.
Yeah.
But peanut
So let's see what the total is of all of this. You got it? Okay.
So you moved the decimal point to
Just, well, no,
what?
that's
To be
the
US dollars.
cents. The two at the end are cents, so it's $1.30,
okay,
$1.35.
essentially in USD.
Right. About that, anyway. All right.
I don't really need any cookies. I don't think.
Well, you can't buy them out in the water, so if you need anything or want anything, get it.
Can't think of anything I really need. Ooh, look at the Fanta. Oh, that's
All right. Let's see who won.
so they can essentially make it.
Okay, we're gonna need baggers on the other end.
All right,
All right.
you're gonna have to be the stalker.
All right. We're gonna see who got the most expensive bag. I think we did with this.
There's no way.
Yeah, it's a pretty good deal.
So we had all of the lunch for $8.
That was probably
I had 2 beers.
10 beers.
I know I had 2. We had
About
5
2.
soups. What
I had 3.
7 soups. You had 3. 7 soups.
10 beers at
10
least.
beers. For $8.
$8.
All right. So you're saying $150 for all of our stuff.
Maybe less.
I think
All right.
110.
I'm gonna say 170.
I say 170. What do you say?
I'm saying 170.
Yeah, well, we'll go next.
All right. All right. The computer won't even calculate it. So it's 170.
What's this?
We got it?
Or do it?
No credit card? 103. All right. Max and Bill. So what do we do today, Bill?
We're gonna go check
We
out
went
the
to
sun.
the public market and then we went to the supermarket. Is that all we did? That's about all we did.
That's about all we did.
I waited for an hour for a crave.
Ate lunch at the public market?
Yeah. And I think seven people ate and drank beer for
$8.
$8.
Okay,
So,
like 10 beers, 7 soups,
Yeah.
$8.
That was a pretty good deal. We're headed over here to look at this. This was Bill's last boat. The last time he tried to cross the Atlantic. So this is as far as he got. So we're gonna see if we can make it a little bit further. Lots of neat boats out here. So Bill, tell us about this big masted boat over here. What did you say?
That is the Great Rig Chopin, and it's a boat built in 1992.
Yeah.
It's a school boat for training people and taking young people out sailing.
All right, what country is it from?
From Poland.
Poland.
And
That's
it's,
pretty cool. This is pretty funny. Never been on a sunken ship before. A semi-sunken. Bill, let us off here. So don't fall through a hole here. Yeah, he's coming up. All right, Mad Max. Come on, Nikki. You got to stand up on the top. Okay.
That was great. Thanks. Ship's on up over.
Impressive.
I
Yay.
did pull over one time. With us got it on video. Yeah, you did a great job.
Yeah.
The food's gone.
Everybody around us, especially in front, looked at us.
They were. They're like, what's going on?
This is the night market. Some live music.
I think she realized it might be difficult to get off.
Baby, wanna come down?
He's want to play.
Don't you roll off. Don't you roll off.
Has she fallen off ever before?
So how does that go? Just
She's a good swimmer.
she swims up to the boat and
Climbs right out. She usually makes it out without getting the tip of her tail and about to here. It's all still dry.
Yeah.
huh.
So she's able to keep.
Yeah.
Much better swimmer than other cats we have known.
Yummy.
Breakfast.
Yeah.
Attack. Just imagine it's Bill's hand.
Oh, be careful, you little monkey.
It's gonna knock it off.
Well, it's full of smells. That's what's
Yeah.
getting her excited. If there's ever a bug on the boat, she can smell it in there. You are a goofball. Goofy cat. Good cat. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yes, you can. You're a goofball. You are a goofball.
Sit out there.
No, I don't think so.
There is. She just turned all the way around.
That's right. Nope, not.
Not right now.
You slapped me up, little girl.
She is a never-ending source
So funny.
of entertainment.
They're gonna try this one. Well, maybe not. Oh, she's just gonna jump. Get it? Nice. Much better idea.
Just checking out the new boat, making sure there's not a mouse on it.
No fish for breakfast
Yeah.
on the front.
Yeah, when we first put, we have a, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a dried fish tail up on our solar panel, riveted to the solar panel. Because it's a sign of good luck in Tunisia
To have a fish.
to have a fish tail.
All right, Bill.
Can you help push this in?
Yep. So tell us what we're doing here.
We are 19. That's great. We are getting a little bit of fuel here, which will be about 100 liters.
Okay.
Maybe 120 liters.
All right.
You're leaving today?
Yeah. And that's going to get us across with whatever we need on the generator and whenever we need a motor.
Okay.
And sometimes when the wind's light and the sails are just beating around, it just makes more sense to motor. How we doing, Max? Come on, tank number 1. 8/5. Okay, great. 5/8.
This is the last we'll see of Mandela for a while. So what we're doing here, we found this derelict boat, and they were out of water. So we're gonna fill them up. Since we're nice Americans.
Such nice America.
They've been stranded on this boat for 7 years. So
Kind of stay handy the tail of that spring here, so we stop this.
actually,
Park yourself.
yeah. All right.